Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to use Microsoft Power BI, and it is a very handy tool. So uh, if you want to need to create any dashboard, you can create it by Microsoft Excel. But if you use the Microsoft Power BI, then you can showcase your um, net sales profit. Or many other things that is asked by the management of your company. So here is a software, Microsoft Power BI. You can use it for free. You don't need to purchase any license. So what I will do right now, I will show you some items of Microsoft Power of my Microsoft Power BI. So it is Superstore sales data. You can see it is row ID, order ID, and many other things, country, state, and many other information there. And what you need to do, you need to showcase different types of items, including profit, discount, quantity. And I calculated days to ship by myself. You can easily create it D2 minus C2. That means ship date minus order date. So you can easily calculate the number of time amount of time required to ship the product. uh, Save. And there is another Microsoft Excel file. It is the return file, and it is the item that are actually being returned to the customer from the customer. So you can see the return ID, yes, yes, yes. And you can see the order ID for this number order. The amount has been returned from the customer. Okay, now close it. So I need to link this to Microsoft Excel file in Microsoft Power BI. In Microsoft Power BI, and import from Excel. Supposed to sales data, open. Now if you click on order, you only need the order file, and there is also people option. You don't need it, so I will not click on that. So I click load. It has been loaded here, you can see. I also need another file. First to return file, click open, return tab. Then you can see that there are two column, column 1, column 2. I will not use this as my first row. I need my first row as a return and order ID. Click transfer data. What I'll do, click use first row as header. So now you can see the first row has been returned, and order ID is now being used as the first row. So close and apply. I click now what I'll do, I will try to uh, create a link between the two product. So if I click modeling, and then manage relationship, and click new order, return ID, click OK. I'm just creating a link between order in the two Excel file. So now there you can see there are some tab. One is called stacked bar chart. One is called clustered bar chart. It's called card, scatter chart. There are different types of visualization tools. You can see that. Now, if I click on this card, normal card, and I want to see my net sales volume. So there is a net sales. If I click there, what else is 2.30 million, and there is an option so that I can use this tool to give a good visualization of this. So what I can use, you can see that there is general. You can see if I want to create a different background, so I can create it from here, the color option. So if I click blue color, then it is turned blue, and there is also different options, category, title. So if I click on title, uh, right now not showing here, title is off. Click title text, I can click its net sales, sales, and this option is heading to heading 4 means it can click heading 2. It's not changing some way. Okay, and alignment, center, and text size, I can click 20 net cells. Okay, and if I click bold, color is changed as bold, and italic, if you click yes, italic, I don't know, italic, underline. Okay, so this way you can create visualization, and now I want another card. It's called click on card, and this time I will use my total profit, and I can also showcase this my background color, change my background color to different other color, and I can also use another title turn on, title sales net profit, and can change it, also change the text size 20 ppt, and create bold. If I want, I can also underline it, and there is another option. You can see that if you want profit as sum, I can use it as average. So if I click average, you can see the average of profit. You can also see the minimum profit. So yes, many other tools. So I will just create the sum. So I will right now have another card is called clustered column chart. So I click this option. You can see just to make it a bit larger. And if I click segment, profit. So if I click yes, then I can see that it is showing the total profit and sales by segment, customer, corporate, and head office. And this way you can also use the different title or segment, and there's x-axis, you can use many title if you want. You can also change color, many other things, and show the title, and there is the title, so title only, an option, and also the title, text size, many other things. This title you can say as profit and sales, like right. Already written here, will not change. And if you want to have the gross margin, so you need to write some formula. Gross margin is the net sales divided by uh, net profit divided by total sales. So you can write some formula, or otherwise, what you can do that you can calculate it on Excel and write it down here. Because I can show you how to calculate net sales in Excel. So uh, if you don't want to do it like any formula here, so at first there's a easy simple way. If you don't know any programming, then write gross equal to profit divided by net sales. I click enter. Okay, I need to multiply it by 100. Is as percentage. Okay, don't need to multiply by 100. Okay, and 16%. So you can see it from here. So when we'll actually load it on Microsoft Power BI, it will automatically show the gross margin percentage. So you don't need to write any formula on here. And there is also a scatter chart, a line chart. Sorry, not this one. I will create another line chart. So if I click on profit, and now I can click sales and order date. Sorry, this is called order date. So I can now see that it is showing actually the sales volume based on a year specifically. So it is if I want to see it order date as an option that if I want to see it only by quarter, then click no month, no, okay, no. So it is showing just quarter. So this is how you can create any chart. And there are also many other tools, including the geographical positions. There is options for map, so you can see the map here. So you can also click on profitability. So which area has the most profitability, most so country. Now cannot show it by map, but I can use another cluster chart. So I click on the days to ship and ship mode. And if I click on my days to ship options, there are two axes. So you can see that how many times does it need for the year. Probably not showing correctly. 5K. Uh, in 2017, it took the longest. I click on test to see option. So on average, so you can see the average time. Average time, average of days to ship by year. So it means that the amount of time you actually require to ship any product on a particular day, and it is the average value. The most uh, important thing, the most interesting thing on Microsoft Power BI is that if I click this one, everything is changing. We click this one, 2017, 16, 15, in so in each year, so you if you click on each year, it is actually changing. So I can see if I another cart and click the ship date. Okay, if you click on the quarter one, quarter two, quarter three, it's actually changing. So everything is changing. That means that Microsoft Power BI is your card is actually working perfectly. And you can also in new card you can easily find okay, I was actually trying to show something special. So if I click on table, you can also create another page, but I just want to show everything on here. Table and ship date. So if you click cancel the month, quarter, then you will just get only some years. So if you click 2014, you can see that net sales network is showing here. 2015, it is also showing. So everything is changing. You can see everything is changing. So your dashboard is actually working. You can actually build many other things by Microsoft Power BI. So in the next video, I will try to show you some other different uh, application of Microsoft Power BI, um, and, uh, you need to do all your work by yourself if you want to learn. So uh, this is for today's tutorial. I will show you another thing on